Welcome. If you've ever set up a public list on X and later decided it could use a better name, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to quickly update your list's name so it reflects its purpose perfectly. The process is super simple, and in just a few taps, your list will look fresh and organized. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, look for the menu icon, that's the 3 horizontal lines in the corner, often called the navigation menu. Tap on it to bring up the options. From there, scroll down and select Lists. This is where all your created lists and any you follow are stored. You'll want to browse through and locate the public list you're planning to rename. When you find it, go ahead and tap to open it fully. Next, look for the editing option. You'll see a button that says Edit List. Give that a tap, and it will bring up everything you can adjust about your list, including the all-important name field. Now simply type in the new name you'd like to use. Whether you're making it shorter, more descriptive, or just giving it a creative twist, this is your chance to make your list stand out. Once you've entered the new name, don't forget to save your changes by tapping Save. This step is crucial, otherwise the old name will stay in place. And that's it. Your public list now has a fresh new name that better matches what it's all about. This can make your profile feel more polished and professional, or just more fun, depending on how you're using lists. Keeping your lists updated is a great way to stay organized and make it easier for others to understand what your lists represent when they check out your profile. So whenever you feel like your list names no longer fit, take a minute to update them using these simple steps. That's how quick and easy it is to change your public list's name on X.